This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the safety prop and engage it with the locating hole in the inner wing. The pollen filter is located behind a plastic cover at the rear right-hand corner of the engine compartment. Unclip and remove the plastic cover from the scuttle panel. Release the retaining clips at the lower edge of the filter and withdraw the filter from the housing. Wipe clean the inside of the housing and fit the new pollen filter element, making sure that it is correctly seated. Note the direction arrows on the new pollen filter where applicable. Fold up the retaining clips and refit the plastic cover. Support the bonnet, then stow the safety prop and firmly close the bonnet. Check the bonnet is securely locked.